Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to take out these box braids. I've had them in for about a month, a little over a month. So I'm gonna go ahead and take them off. They are kind of, they don't look too bad, but my scalp is just really dry and I'm just ready. A month is as long as I'll leave a protective style in. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove these and I will come back when they're all out, and then I'm probably going to leave my deep conditioner in overnight and then just style my hair in the morning. But my daughter's going to help me, so see you guys shortly. Alright guys, so I went ahead and just left the deep conditioner in overnight, and I used my Yellow Granite's Bath Soup conditioner, and I actually mixed it with a deep conditioner from Garnier. I left it in overnight, and then I rinsed it out and I styled my hair with the Suave products. I'll show you guys, I'll put a picture in of everything that I use. And my hair is just air drying. So it is pretty moisturized. So I am currently at work, so I'm just gonna let it air dry all day, and then maybe I'll come back when it's completely dry. But I do have a couple of curly hair routine videos, so you guys can see how I apply my products. Hey guys, so this is the next day. I just got home from work and my groceries are being delivered. Not that you care, but anyway, this is my second day here. So just a little quick recap. I washed my hair with the Jamaican Black Castor Oil shampoo from Shea Moisture. I shampooed it twice. Then I went ahead and conditioned with any Garnier conditioner that I had in the bathroom. And then I went ahead and deep conditioned with the My L Organics mint conditioner. And then I left that in overnight, and then the next morning I went ahead and rinsed it out, and then I used the Suave products. I used the curling cream and the shine serum. So I'll put pictures so you guys can see what it is. So I kept my braids in for about 4 weeks, and as you can see, my hair is recovered perfectly fine. It was really nice to have a little break. So in a couple weeks I'll probably put some twists in my hair because it'll go in a lot quicker, and it won't take as long to take them out and put them back in. So I'll try to film that for you guys. So I'll see you guys in my next video.